Tonight, the house is silent except for the soft ticking of the hallway clock. Maddie lies awake, clutching her threadbare blanket, eyes fixed on her favorite toy perched atop the dresser. It sits perfectly still, its painted smile frozen, glassy eyes reflecting the faint moonlight filtering through the curtains. She remembers the stories her grandmother told her. Toys don't move unless you look away. The clock chimes midnight. Maddie blinks. When her eyes open, the toy's head is tilted, just slightly, toward her bed. She hadn't heard a sound, not even a creak. She squeezes her eyes shut, heart pounding, and counts to 10. When she looks again, the toy's porcelain hand dangles over the edge of the dresser, fingers stretched as if reaching. A scraping noise. Her breath catches. The toy is now on the floor, standing upright, eyes wide and unblinking. Maddie's voice is trapped in her throat. She hears tiny footsteps, impossibly close, moving slowly toward her. The last thing she sees before darkness swallows her is that painted grin, lips parting, whispering her name with a voice that isn't her own. Then silence.